'cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy.
Hay nako, may pag-asa ba ako?
Oh.
You are the one that I've been searching for my whole life through. You are the one that I've been looking for, and now that I've found you. Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba? Mr. Right na ba? Mr. Right ka ba?
Baby, you're in my arms again. This time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time. I'll never come far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know.
Oh. Dalawa.
Di kaya, apat kayo.
Paano naging apat?
One.
Ang corny mo, ang corny mo. Ito, ilang malikat mo? Dalawa. Anim kaya?
Paano naging ani?
1, 2, 3.
Kaya tawag mo si JM.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap narapap na kahit magpanggap di magtatago na ang iyong yakap ang hanap.
Ate, saan ko yung pasisay?
Dito. Tapos,
Haranahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong tayo malalang. O kaya biglang may breakfast dinner, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang.
ay, sorry!
Haranahin